Your fans are really concerned. It's been a while. You took a dump, man. बेटा तुम करते क्या हो? How do you react to that?
I usually say porn star. Johnny Abraham को कभी जोक सुनाते हुए देखा है?
American commode.
American commode. अभी I can feel it coming.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Pressure आए, pressure बन
Pressure
गया.
आ रहा है.
Hello, you are with me, Supriya, on campus radio, guys, and today we have Veer Das in the house. Everybody, big hand. And we're here to get a broad understanding.
A broad understanding.
About a broad understanding.
Yes.
So before going to that, जब
Yes.
ये final हो गया, Das on Netflix.
Yes.
जब final हो गया, तो who's the first person you called?
I called my wife.
Yeah?
Yeah. It was, I said, let's go get drunk
Oh.
and have a drink
Planning
because,
now.
Yeah, absolutely. And then we did not. No, ये campus radio है ना. I said, let's go have nimbu pani.
Okay.
And then
Sure.
we went and had nimbu pani.
Spike Nimbu Pani, but
हाँ.
sure.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure. No spikes. A dude with spikes gave us nimbu pani, and then we had nimbu pani. Don't drink, children. I get into a lot of trouble. Yeah, I do.
Yes, that's true.
So I'm.
Comedians are really playing safe these days, as
Yeah,
we can see it.
absolutely.
But with Veer Das, okay, the first thing I have to tell you, fans are really concerned. It's been a while. You took a dump, man.
Yes, I know podcast. No?
Yeah, what's happening with that?
It's coming next week.
It is?
For sure. अभी I
Okay.
can feel it coming.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
Pressure आए,
So,
pressure बन
pressure
गया.
आ रहा है.
I'm
तो अभी
loving
थोड़ा-
how we're talking about pressure.
Yeah, मैं coffee पीऊंगा. I think the week after the Netflix special, I'll do an American podcast. I'm going to America right now to do some press.
So it's
over
gonna
there.
be on an American commode.
American commode, which are not nice commodes. I don't know if you
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
They are not built for Indian load.
Are you, what?
Yeah, I don't know why I'm talking about this on campus
No, I'm
radio,
loving
but
it. I'm loving it.
but you know उनके थोड़े कमजोर है commodes.
Really?
You know, ये लोग चपाती वपाती नहीं खाते.
नहीं
You know,
खाते.
दाल वाल नहीं खाते. You need to थोड़ा buff up करो अपने commodes.
How would Veer Das react to the following? What
Okay.
would Veer Das say to the following things?
Okay,
People asking you, are you funny in real life?
I would say no. When you give me cash, then I'm funny. That's how this works. You know, like if you're an accountant, you are not an accountant at home in front of your wife, no? Similarly, this is my job. तो आप पैसा दो, मैं भरपूर jokes
Do you
बोलेगा.
get that a lot? अभी Veer Das से joke सुना ना?
हाँ, and I get people
Yeah.
telling me jokes also.
Yeah?
Ah, you are comedian, no? Ah, this.
ये joke सुन.
ये joke सुन. And you don't do that with other people. You
Yeah.
don't. Ah, you're a doctor, huh? See, I'll tell you about appendicitis. Nobody does
Nobody
that
cares,
shit.
yeah.
हाँ, cool, हाँ.
Okay, apart from that, a relative or a family friend like meeting you for the first time maybe and बेटा तुम करते क्या हो? How do you react to that?
I usually say porn star. Just because then they never meet me again. You know, it's a very effective.
It's easier
thing.
that way.
Yeah. Some of them go home, Google porn star. You know, it's a process. So, yeah.
Google porn star Veer Das.
Sorry, kids are watching this. Kids,
Yeah, how would you cover this up? I'm gonna.
don't watch porn. Just have nimbu pani. The solution to everything in your life is nimbu pani.
All right then. Okay. People who troll you online, what would you say to them?
I would say that they don't understand what trolling does.
Yeah.
See, negativity एक चीज है. For every negative thing that somebody says to you, it creates 200 people
Correct.
who say nice things to you.
Yeah.
200 people that take your side. So what trolls don't understand is आप मेरा fan base बढ़ा रहे हो. You know what I mean? आप मुझको publicity दे रहे हो. You're making more and more people give me positive energy.
True.
So in fact, you are doing my job for me. So stop it.
There you go, trollers.
Yeah.
All right. Next thing, women or men who hit on you on social media.
Women or men do not hit on me on social media.
What do you say?
They do not.
What do you say?
Not at all.
What?
This whole, you know, girls like funny boys, it's a very popular thing.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
lie. Brad Pitt doesn't have to write jokes, no, in his life.
Yeah,
हाँ,
yeah.
Johnny Abraham को कभी joke सुनाते हुए देखा है? नहीं ना. So,
Are you telling me not one message so far of anybody hitting on you? Like maybe not on social media. Otherwise, do you really have people like coming up? to
whenever
you?
somebody's hit on me, it's
Yeah.
been my wife who has told me later that they were hitting on me. She's like, you know, that girl was hitting on you. And I'd be like,
And you didn't realize it.
I don't realize these things.
Wow.
I think comedy जो एक profession है doesn't come from confidence with women. I think you have to be rejected by girls for 10-15 years before you become a comedian. So that is my history.
All right then. Okay. Things that your worst drinking experience taught you.
Things that my worst drinking experience taught me. Read the script before you sign the movie. I'm just joking. Never sign
How
a film
could you
drunk.
name the movie?
No, I can't name the movie. Worst drinking experience, don't drink wine.
Drink nimbu pani.
Drink nimbu pani. Yeah.
Don't drink wine, guys.
Yeah.
All right. Moving on, the one thing that you're most scared about when it comes to your new show, A Broad Understanding.
Just that people won't watch it. You know what I mean? I have this big nightmare ki Netflix reaches 99 million subscribers across the world, and then they call me up and they're like, "Acha, 3 logon ne dekha."
damn.
So that is like a big nightmare that I have. So if you're Indians, come on, yeah, just watch it.
Do watch A Broad
Please.
Understanding.
Yeah.
Okay, moving on. What would you have to say about Baba Sehgal and his songs and his tweets?
I've watched Baba Sehgal at NH7. I'm a big fan of Baba Sehgal. Like, he's original Indian gangster.
So which by far has been your most favorite song of Baba Sehgal?
Manjula.
Okay,
You don't remember Manjula?
I don't know about Manjula.
What?
I don't know about Manjula.
Okay.
I know Thanda Pani.
Thanda Pani, Manjula, and chicken fried rice.
Chicken fried rice?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not telling lies. मैं वो बंदा very nice. Chicken fried rice. That's it.
But what about like going to the gym?
No,
and
chicken fried rice.
Chicken fried.
It's the underdog song. You know?
Nice.
Going to the gym is the Munni Badnaam hui. But chicken fried rice is that.
Is that?
You know? ये जो देश है तेरा.
Okay, what would you have to say about people who are confused between Snapchat and Snapdeal, Sonu Nigam and Sonu Sood?
I would say that you need to remove all this free time in your life. Whether you uninstall Snapchat, Snapdeal, I'm pretty sure there are people who are trying to uninstall Sonu Sood. You know, because they just don't understand what is happening.
True.
So, yeah.
All right, and finally, what would you have to say about Salman Khan's upcoming movie, which is called Tube Light?
His film is called Tube Light?
Yeah.
That'd be fantastic.
Yeah.
Because I can't wait to see him like kill a guy with a tube light. You know what I mean? Because it's always an action film, so I'm assuming he'll have some tube light, like a Star Wars, like a tube light and then lightsaber kind of a thing.
We have our own Star Wars star.
I'm a Salman Khan fan. It'll work.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Awesome. Okay. How was Veer Das back in his college days? Things that probably you were insecure about. What kind of thoughts did you have? What was like priority for you back then?
Girls. Priority number one, then academics and all of that stuff. Here's how important girls were to me. I went to Sri Venkateshwara College. Do you know where that is? It's called Venki.
Yeah, Venki.
In Delhi.
Venki,
not the chicken cutlet, the college.
I know.
Alright. And I used to stay in Noida. And Venki is in Dhaula Kuan. That is 42 kilometers.
Okay.
That I used to drive on a Hero Puk. You know what a Hero Puk is? You're very young. You don't know what a Hero Puk is. Okay. So if like a cycle got some horrible. If a cycle,
I think I know what you're talking about.
If a cycle did steroids and then got Ebola and lost all of its weight, that is a Hero Puk. And I used to drive 42 kilometers on a Hero Puk where my helmet was 10 times wider than the bicycle.
Really?
Just to meet cute girls.
Just to meet cute girls, and they would dig that.
No.
No. Okay.
No. I think they wanted Enfield guys. No.
I'm sure.
I was Hero Puk guy. You know what I'm saying? So yeah.
That confidence stayed.
Yeah.
So one message that you'd like to give all the people who are in college right now, facing their own set of challenges.
Facing your own set of challenges. I'll be a little bit serious about this. So these are possibly the top 3 challenges that you're facing in college. Worrying about your future. Don't. Think about your future, but don't worry about it. Everything gets figured out. You're in a good place. You're in possibly the smartest generation of kids that has ever existed. So no generation of children has ever been as smart as you people. So you're all going to be absolutely fine. Number 2, you're probably worried about love and finding the right person. If you found the right person, good for you. If you found the wrong person, that's also a good thing because it will make you a better person for when you find the right person. So chill about that stuff. And number 3, you're worried about where the party is tonight and how you get there, etc., etc.
Where are we eating nimbu pani?
I don't know. And you should ask some cool people because I've never known where the party is.
Alright, okay, last question. Apart from A Broad Understanding, one show you'd suggest all the listeners, all the people who are watching us right now to binge watch on?
There's a show called Love on Netflix, which is a romantic comedy. It's very, very nice.
Okay.
And I think there's a film called Brahman Naman, which is an Indian film that Netflix bought. So please watch that. Just watch as much Indian content. Right now Netflix has greenlit 2 pieces of content.
Right.
Mine and Phantom Films ka Sacred Games. These are the only 2 things that that Netflix has greenlit from India. So please watch this thing as well. The more Indian content you can watch, the better.
Alright, awesome guys. Then A Broad Understanding, 25th April, Netflix is where you need to be. One last message for everybody who's watching us right now.
So if you don't have Netflix, you get a 1 month free trial on Netflix. So if you start your month right now,
Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.